In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rainbow crops in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do over here in Grow a Garden, you want to go to these merchants. And mind you, those aren't these two merchants, so not the red and the blue one. You can't get to them by teleporting. You want to go to these two over here on my left, so the yellow and the green dude. I mean the green woman and the yellow dude over here. So what you have to do is go to the gear shop over here to the right, so to the green merchant, talk to him. And then over here, as you can see, they sell some very advanced stuff, and in here are the advanced and the godly sprinkler. Now, what the advanced sprinkler does, it increases the mutation chances, and the godly sprinkler increases mutation chances and fruit size. Now, to get these rainbow crops, they're actually a product of a mutation. So you will have to get a mutation in one of your crops to get the rainbow crop, and the way to actually boost that chances is to essentially just buy one of these sprinklers. So either the advanced one or the godly one, because as you can see, those both increase the mutation chances. And if you have the increased mutation chances, you'll of course have higher chances of actually getting the rainbow crops. So that's basically how you get them, and it's not just rainbow crops, you can also get the golden crops that way. So once you get those sprinklers, make sure you go to your garden, you place them around here, and then just wait and hope that a mutation happens and you get your rainbow crop. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.